Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I thought it would be super fun to take all of you on a walk in the forest with me and my husband. I'm so glad to have you all here today. Welcome to those of you who are new. If what I share here on my channel at all interests you, I'd love for you to join my community by tapping on the subscribe button, as well as tap on that bell so you can stay up to date with everything that I have to share on my channel. So I thought it would be fun to take you along on a foraging adventure to see how I just go about collecting things. I just go out in nature, find stuff on my walks, and I will show you everything that I've gathered, as well as explain to you how I prep everything so it's all good and ready for my upcoming projects. I have a lot planned for the Christmas season, so stay tuned. Let's go for that walk. Okay, I'm just going to go over all the things that I collected while we were out for our nature walk. You can see that this is all in a cardboard box. So I laid everything out flat. It was sitting in the sun to dry, which was fine. I prefer to have it in the shade, but it was a sunny day and just my cat was getting into it. So I just had to put it in a place where he couldn't get at it. So as you can see here, I have some moss and branches, and I also have some bark, and I also have some lichens. So if you want to rehydrate any of this, you can by spritzing it. Some people like to rehydrate the moss. This is called green sheet moss. And I have another type of green moss. It grows on rocks. It is really, really beautiful. But this was really difficult to harvest. It wanted to keep crumbling on me, so I just got one little piece. And then I also have some birch bark. I love to use this at Christmas time. I have these branches here that have got pine cones, which was a really fun find. And I have these branches that have got some kind of a yellowish lichen on them, and then these other branches have got lichen on them as well. And then over here, these are lichens that I picked off of some trees, and there's 3 different varieties. So I know that some people are concerned about bugs. I myself have never had a problem with bugs if I let everything sit outside and dry really well. Now, if you are concerned, I know some people will put this sort of thing in a low temperature oven. I prefer not to do that. I just don't want to take the chance of it smelling up my oven. I think it'd be kind of gross, but feel free to just look that up. What I will sometimes do is, say my branches, is give them a clear coat of a matte spray, but that's personal choice. So you can stay tuned for upcoming Christmas projects, a few fall projects using these items. And I hope that you enjoyed this. If you have any questions in regards to any of this stuff, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. I hope that this was useful information for you all, and I hope this encourages you all to get outside and explore your world. I know we all live in different parts of the world, so just go and have a look and see what's in your backyard even. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down below in the comments section. I will do my best to answer those questions for you, and I hope you'll come back and join me for some upcoming DIYs and some other artistic projects that I have to share. Thanks so much for being here. Have a great day. Bye.